Barbados is the world's newest republic. It has now parted away with the Queen Elizabeth II. Now, let's understand a little about Barbados, the geography of Barbados, and the basic idea. So, here is where within the Atlantic you have the island nation, which is Barbados. Barbados has officially removed Queen Elizabeth II as the head of the state and is now the world's newest republic. So it ends the 400-year-old rule of Britain, which was there, and this Barbados had been a center of transatlantic slave trade. So, a significant proportion of the population here is blacks. The major religion is Christianity, and those are some of the highlights about this region. Now, coming on to the island of Barbados, the capital is Bridgetown, and as we have seen, that Barbados has announced its plan to become the republic. Still, it would remain part of the Commonwealth as of now. Since it would remain part of the Commonwealth, what is Commonwealth? Commonwealth is also known as Commonwealth of Nations or British Commonwealth, and it is a loose association of the former British colonies and dependencies. Even some of the countries in this Commonwealth nations do not have any historical ties with Britain anymore. This Barbados was one of the first slave colonies of Britain, and it is one of the most populous islands, we could say. So again, we have seen that initially the occupancy on this island was seen by Britishers in 1627, and there since then it was mainly the sugar plantation which brought Britishers and involved a lot of slaves mainly from Africa in the region of Barbados. Slavery was, however, abolished in 1834 and the country became fully independent in 1966. So, in 1966, the country attained its independence. Before Barbados, the last nation among the world nations to remove Queen as its head was Mauritius, and that was back in 1992. So, in 1992, Mauritius removed Queen as its head and became the republic, and Barbados became an independent nation in 1966. It abolished the slavery in 1834. It was discovered basically as one of the major centers, and English settlers started here in 1627. Now it has a population of nearly 2.85 lakh people, and most of the area is considered popular, prosperous. It is highly populated as well, but it is extremely dependent on sugar exports. In the recent times, we have seen that specifically manufacturing and tourism were two of the major sustaining activities, but lockdown and the post 2008 recession had hit the island worsely, and we have seen that with the COVID pandemic the situation had further worsened. Now Dame Sandra Prunella Mason, she is the first president of the Barbados, and she was considered as the president last month and became the president of the country. Now she has been the governor general of the island since 2018, fighting for the rights of children. She was the chairman of the vice chair and the chair of the UN Committee for Rights of Children from 1991 to 99. She was also holding a position as the registrar of Supreme Court until 2005 in Barbados. In 2008, she became the first female to be sworn in as the Court of Appeal in the Court of Barbados. She was also the first female president of the tribunal. So definitely she has a strong history. Now, what has been the changes in the republic? There are no plan to change the national flag, to change the coat of arm, which is with the motto Pride and Industry for the Barbados, but there are two terms which would be removed. One is royal and other is crown. So the crown land would now be called as the state land, and the Royal Barbados Police Force would now be called as simply Barbados Police Force. The word royal and crown would be removed from their dictionary as being part of the republic. Now there have been various steps through which there were appeals to change this region into republic. This has been a systematic move, and a monarchical form of government ultimately turned into a republican form of government. If we talk about the exports from Barbados, as we see, it is mainly manufacturing and tourism. So, hard liquor, passenger cargoes, fishing ships, cement, orthopedic appliances, precious metal watches, and packed medicaments and paints were some of the major things which are exported from Barbados. Barbados also is known as the 52nd richest nation in the world, with considered as the 83rd high income economies in the world. The literacy there is closer to nearly 100% literacy. The most popular sports are rugby, horse riding, football, polo. Then we have four species of nesting turtles which are found on the island of Barbados. The island is mainly coal and limestone, and therefore there is high permeability to seepage of surface water into the earth. So those are some of the key characteristics of Barbados. Bejun is the term which is commonly used to depict the culture of Barbadian peoples. So that was about this island. Congratulations for being the world's newest republic, and we would be covering many more interesting lectures. See you soon.